Hello everybody, I am Jyoti from Transpet India. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars for packing various food and beverages. The PET cans and jars that we make are 100% food grade, reusable, recyclable and BPA free. Today, in this video we are showcasing Transpet PET cans for dessert packing. Desserts like flavored mousse, layered cakes, cookie cakes, flavored yogurts, etc. Available mouth size are from 60 mm to 80 mm. Transpet PET can is sealed with an aluminium easy to open can lid and a peel off lid. Now in this video we will demonstrate how to open a peel off lid and easy to open lid. The sealed can will ensure the customer that the product packed inside is hygienic, safe and unadulterated. The sealed can will enhance the shelf life of the product packed inside. With the wide mouth opening, the spoon can easily go inside and the customer will have good experience of delicious dessert. A cap is also provided with the can for reuse purpose. The cap can be made in various colors and embossing of logo or brand name can also be done on the PET cap. For further queries and information, please contact us on WhatsApp. Contact details are mentioned in the description below. Thank you.